energy and 50 engineers headquartered in US, California, and the prototype to industrial stage. In that regard also we are
at Meta Energy we are doing a lot of innovative technological.
So hello friends, welcome back to my channel। तो आज हम आए हैं प्रगति मैदान दिल्ली में। तो यहाँ पर IESW इंडिया एनर्जी स्टोरेज वीक 2022 एक्सपो स्टार्ट हो चुका है। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इस इवेंट का पूरा टूर दूंगा, तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना और साथ ही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। अगर आप बिजनेस करने की सोच रहे हैं या ऑलरेडी कोई बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो इस जगह पर जरूर विजिट करना। It is India's premier B2B networking or business event focused on renewable energy, advanced batteries, alternate energy storage solution, electric vehicle charging infrastructure and microgrids ecosystem। तो ये इवेंट 3 मई से 4 मई तक प्रगति मैदान में होगा और यहाँ की टाइमिंग्स मॉर्निंग 10 AM टू इवनिंग 6 PM होगी। पार्किंग की बात करें तो पार्किंग भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है और साथ ही आपको पार्किंग से शटल सर्विस मिल जाएगी जो कि आपको डायरेक्ट एग्जीबिशन तक ले जाएगी। और यहाँ की एंट्री के लिए आपको प्रगति मैदान गेट नंबर 1 से अंदर आना होगा।
This is stall number 47 and I am representing Green Fuel Battery Solution, a manufacturer of lithium batteries. So this pack we are staying, this is 5 kWh pack which is basically used for fixed solution for e-rickshaw. This gives a kilometer of, in a single charge, 95 to 105 kilometers. Then we have these modular packs which are basically for the swapping purpose. So these are the solutions for swapping purposes. ये आपको आइडियली 2 बैटरीज एक रिक्शा में लगती हैं और आप 60 से 70 किलोमीटर इसको चला सकते हैं। इसके अलावा वी मैन्युफैक्चर बैटरीज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 2 किलोवाट टू 20 किलोवाट आवर। आवर बैटरी कम्स विद थर्मल मैनेजमेंट एंड वाइब्रेशन मैनेजमेंट, जो कि 2 मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इंडिया में जिसकी वजह से बैटरीज में फायर या अनप्रेसिडेंटेड इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं। थैंक यू।
We are from Phoenix Contact and operating in this energy storage segment at stall number 49. And basically Phoenix is almost 100-year-old organization, and in India we are operating from last 25 years, and we are into the electrical automation, and on the same time we are into the EV segment also. We are providing the component for the complete EV market. In any case the customer wants to develop its own AC as well as DC chargers, we can support with the customer on all applications for the development of AC as well as DC chargers. On the same time we are also into the electrical automation. We have a manufacturing unit in India at Palwal location where we are providing or manufacturing some kind of electrical automation components like terminal blocks, surge protection devices and all that the automation product. And we are also in the field of railways, automation, wind, solar, all the fields we are covering as per the market demands. So this was a brief intro from our side for the Phoenix what we are doing in a field of automation and e-mobility. This is our product portfolio for the EV charging infrastructure, where we provide all the kinds of components that are being required for the EV market or the development of AC as well as DC charger. So right is starting from terminal blocks, surge protection devices, AC DC charging cables, power supplies, power modules, HMI, touch screen. Moreover, I can say 70 to 80% in-house component we have for the manufacturing of AC as well as DC chargers.
सारा आपका इलेक्ट्रिक बस है, सारा अपना बैटरी पैक नीचे बेसमेंट में लगा रहता है और ये स्वैप वाला नहीं है, तो आप इसको चार्ज कर सकते हो। 0 इमिशन है, कोई भी इमिशन नहीं है, इससे कोई भी आपका पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा। आप देखो जैसे वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ 100% इलेक्ट्रिक, 0 स्मोक, तो पूरी 100% ग्रीन एनर्जी है। 100% ग्रीन। और दिल्ली ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉरपोरेशन का ये अभी जो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट का स्विच दिल्ली है, तो इनका एक वो चल रहा है कॉन्सेप्ट कि जितने भी बसें हैं लो फ्लोर वाली, सबको वो फिर धीरे धीरे चेंज करके इलेक्ट्रिक पे लेके आएंगे।
Myself Gajanan, I am from Twin Green, Pune. Actually, we have booth number 5 here. Basically, we are e-bus and lithium-ion battery manufacturing company. We have two companies in Pune. That's Tretron International Private Limited and one is Twin Green Tech Private Limited. Our parent organization is Troni, which is doing all this stuff with all these types of electric buses, with all the solutions that we have. Troni, talking about Troni, that we have a global presence, including Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, some of the parts of Japan, and in Southeast Asia we are now in queue, all these things. So from 1.5 years, I could say we are in India, so doing all these stuffs. So whatever the technology that we have, technological solutions, specializations that we have, that we provide globally, so that we are intended to bring all these solutions in India, like these kinds of buses, 7 meter, 9 meter, 12 meter. We are bringing that technology solution, same what we have in Taiwan, in India. And at the same time, I said another company is Tetron. So what we have solution, that's battery pack and energy storage systems. So we are in queue that we are bringing, that's all this SIM and in India.
Hi, I'm Ratish. I represent AMP. We are a US headquartered company focused on energy management solutions. We are here at booth number 4, showcasing our battery management solutions with our latest e-cloud offerings, where we are doing a lot of battery analytics. So as you can see the headlines, our focus is more about safety when it comes to battery. So the battery management systems that we develop, they are safety compliant. We follow IESA 26262 guidelines, and the way our engineers design the product from a hardware software perspective, they take care of doing a lot of following a lot of design principles which put emphasis on safety and performance. And we work very closely with our customers, try to gather as much data as possible during the development phase and feedback that into our development, so that we have a product which is basically a very reliable product for our customers onto the field. We support multiple customers, multiple applications globally. We are a team of about 150 engineers headquartered in US, California, and in Bangalore, India. We have customers in Europe, US, and India. In India, we are focusing more on micromobility applications, supporting two-wheeler, e-cycle applications. And globally, we work a lot on the overall energy management ecosystem. We have innovative solutions which help customers reduce the time to market, overall system cost, and then, of course, we enhance the performance using our technology. So do visit us on our website, www.automotivepower.com, to know more about us. Thank you.
My name is Piyush Kumar Vashisht and the company is Emco Infratech. So basically we provide complete assembly line for lithium ion, cylindrical and prismatic battery pack manufacturing, like cell grading machine, and then we have the cell sorting machine, welding machines, and BMS system and BCD tester. So all these machines are used in the assembly line for lithium ion and battery pack manufacturing. So our key customers are Okaya, Costlight. We have given machines to all major customers across India.
Hi, this is Arvind Limje. I am heading sales for Meta Energy. At Meta Energy, we are doing a lot of innovative technological things. We are developing a battery pack solutions for industrial and mobility applications. Here you can see that we are having a solution as a demo we have showcased for industrial BSS rack solution, 51 kilowatt hour. Likewise, we are having couple of solutions for industrial UPS, telecom, and these solutions are really very exciting in terms of technology, deliverables, life cycle, quality. Do visit us at IESA event on 3rd and 4th of May. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Pankaj. I am one of the co-founders at Log9 Materials. We are here at the IESA event in Delhi. And what we have brought for everyone today is the products and the technology that we've been working together. What we're building at Log9 is a completely grounds-up technology from cell to pack to battery level. And our focus is to bring technologies for India, made in India, for a tropical climate condition that we have in India. There's a lot of conversation that is going on in terms of what kind of electric vehicles are going to be suitable for a country like India. How do you make them safe? How do you make them dependable? How do you take a two-wheeler or a three-wheeler for a business and give it the dependability of operations? How do you make a three-wheeler that can do an 18-hour delivery? Or how do you create a two-wheeler that any of the food delivery partners can use as their main purpose vehicle for delivery? So if you can, as you can see, we have behind me, I have this Age Plus Rapid EV that we have built. This is completely built in India for India. This is carrying a 6 kilowatt hour battery pack, and because for these particular battery packs we have 15,000 cycle, what it means is that you can run this vehicle for 10 years. If the vehicle can last for 10 years, the battery will support for that 10-year operations. This is India's fastest charging three-wheeler. The entire vehicle gets charged within 35 minutes, and this particular vehicle is carrying the opportunity that after 5 years of usage, if you bring it back to us within the first 5 years, we will give you 1 lakh buyback. So a lot of three-wheeler partners are actually buying this vehicle for the India delivery side. We also have a lot of two-wheelers which are happening in India. What we do is imagine a scooter like this typically takes a good 1 to 1.5 hours to get charged. But what we're able to do is charge this vehicle within 15 minutes. So you have a scooter that can go 0 to full charge within 15 minutes. And once that happens, then you unlock, because now the range is not a problem. Every time you stop, you have a cup of tea, you will get enough juice into the battery and take it to the next level. So that is what has revolutionized this. Everything is chargeable at a public charging infrastructure. And then we have a couple of other things that we've been building. I'll show you around. What we're doing demo here is, this is a zap-up technology. This is for stationary battery packs. Whenever there is a solar or a wind farm, a lot of that energy is not able to go back to the grid because you don't have power conditioning, you don't have battery packs that can last the lifetime of that particular program. What we've done through ZapUp is to create a technology that can absorb all that energy. So you may have a solar or a wind, and you store the energy into a battery pack like this and then plug it back to the grid. So all the energy is available at the time you want it. So if you need energy in the night, this can do it in the night pretty well. What we're doing demo here is we have hooked up entire ZapUp. We have a solar panel outside. This entire lighting and the entire power of this particular system is running on a solar panel. So what that does is, and this is probably is going to be a first home power solution, because a lot of UPSs don't have the necessary energy to start up, let's say, an air conditioner at a home. But this kind of ZapUp, which can discharge at a very high C rate, can give you that kind of energy that you need to switch on, let's say, an air conditioner. So this is very, very useful for home. We're partnering with multiple players. And last but not the least, but one of the things that we've been doing here is, at Log9 we have opened up and created India's first lithium-ion commercial cell technology, which is for the tropical climatic belt. We call the brand name the TIB. These are the first Indian-made cell that we're making in Bangalore, and these cells are actually made for our own internal consumption. Once you have the TIB kind of cell technology in India, what starts to happen is that you reach to self-reliance. You reach to self-reliance in your dependency from any foreign country import. Right now in India we don't make lithium-ion cells, and hence a lot of our businesses are running through an import of the cell. So once our TIB cellized, the Indian players will have an opportunity to get battery packs that are containing cells made in India for India, and that gives you the control from cell to pack to the technology level.
Thank you.
So in
India Energy Storage Alliance, IESA, started in 2013 with 5 members. Now we have gone to 160 plus members. This is started to create India not only a market for the application or a deployment. We started for both to make it as a hub for the R&D, manufacturing, new technology development in the space of energy storage, electric mobility, green hydrogen. In the process of journey, we have also helped few state governments, central governments, including Niti Aayog, MOP, MNRE, BIS, and standards formation, and also helped the many industry companies like startups to commercialize their product from the prototype to industrial stage. In that regard also, we are not working isolatively in India. We are closely working with other alliances from other countries, from China's National Energy Storage Alliance, and ACPA from USA, EASE from Europe, Canadian Energy Storage Alliance, and other countries. So we want that there should be a technology transfer between the countries, there should be collaboration between the international companies, then only India can grow. As a success story, we helped government to bring the PLI scheme, and now ETD 51 is working on the standard side, on the electrical stainless steel standard. And now we see India will create a market, maybe around $100 billion market in next 10 years in the energy storage space. It will create 1 million job opportunity. So that's a huge opportunity. We encourage all startup companies to enter this space, all large companies to diversify to the new energy technology space on the energy storage. So this exhibition, which is happening by IESA, the 8th annual exhibition and 10th anniversary of IESA, is brought the 90% of the industry crowd to the single platform. After 2 years of COVID, everyone is meeting each other, exchanging their businesses, starting the new after lockdown or after COVID business scenarios. So it will be a milestone event in the industry.
Thank you.